So summer is ending and everyone is going to school after the summer except for me, because the first 6 months of school I have an internship. But that didn't stop me from doing a DIY video on school supplies. So in this video I have for you guys 3 very cheap notebooks that you can make for going back to school. They're really just inspired by the whole zodiac aesthetic that I'm trying to achieve. So I really hope you guys like this video, and let's just get right into the DIYs. For the first DIY, I just picked up some really cheap notebooks. I got like 2 for 69 cents.
You know what that means.
I don't have enough money for chicken nugget.
You can just get a notebook like this basically anywhere. So I'm just giving it a quick coat of black paint. It covered the whole entire notebook in like 1 layer, so I'm really happy about it. I do have to be careful that I don't make it like too messy, because sometimes when you dye a notebook it gets really sloppy, if you know what I mean. So to be sure, I just put some duct tape on the inside to make it stronger. I did the same with the other side of the notebook, and then I just let it dry for like 30 minutes just to be sure. In the meanwhile, I just got onto Pinterest to find some really cool pictures of tarot cards, because I've been obsessed with them lately. I really want to learn more about them, so I thought it would be really cool to put them on my notebooks. After a while of searching, I finally found 2 pictures that I actually really like, so we're just gonna print them out. So the next part is really easy. I just cut out the pictures and stick them onto the notebooks. It's a really easy DIY, but it's so aesthetic, and you could do this with like any picture you want, so it's really cool. And afterwards I just gave it a light coat of Mod Podge just to get it all in there and protect it from any damage. For the third notebook I just did the same. I covered it with black paint. This was an old notebook. I had some pictures on there, but I took them off and now it looked like this. So I thought it would be time to give it a new life. When that was all dry, I mixed some gold with orange paint. It actually turned out pretty silver, which I didn't really expect. So I just made a moon and I wrote La Luna underneath it, because Luna means moon, and I think that's really like pretty to put on a notebook. And then I just made some stars around it. A quick tip if you want to make really realistic stars is to put them in groups, because stars are always in groups, so that makes it look more real than just putting random dots all over the place. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, so I know you guys like it. And if you want to be part of this amazing supportive group of people that I call my subscribers, because you guys are very nice. Like, I get so many sweet and nice comments, so thank you guys so much for always being so supportive. So if you want to be part of that, you can just click the red subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a nice summer, which I always say at the end of my video, but now I really need a new slogan. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby, squeeze me oh so tight.